Welcome to eSoftTools EDB to PST converter software. Click here to browse Exchange Server EDB file. Click here to open EDB file. Select versions of EDB file. Click here to scan EDB file. Scanning completed. Click OK to jump next step. All the recovered mailboxes are listed here. Click here to convert selective EDB data. Here is the EDB data preview. Click here to start conversion EDB file. Here is the multiple file formats. Convert EDB to PST. Split PST files. Convert EDB to MSG. Convert EDB to EML. Convert EDB to HTML. Convert EDB to EMLX. Click here to filter data according to date. Click here to select saving location. Click here to start exporting EDB into PST. Converted file successfully save. Click OK. Click Exit to stop process. Click Exit to close software. Click Yes to close the tool.